I don't really put that on that much, but that is cute at the background. But welcome back to a vlog. Now I've been working for the past 4 days and this is my final day off. Like finally I have a day off, and me and my sister going shopping, but I need to get ready. I've got a lot planned today. So I wasn't planning to go to the shops, but I need to get some things for my sister's birthday and it's better to just go with her. Also need to make my bed, but I have tidied the surrounding of my bedroom when I was off at the beginning of the week. And I've actually kind of kept it decently tidy on the floor, but I want to tidy inside the drawers and everything like that, so I'm going to do that later after I go shopping. But also I'm going to do some TikToks with the Maybelline foundation. I don't know if it's going to be good, but that's what I'm going to do. But let's make my bed and get ready for the day. I got the Maybelline foundation, so I'll be doing a test or a review on it later on, and loads of other bits. I'm going to show you everything I got from Superdrug. So I actually got this one from B&M, but this is just shampoo. I got this Cotton Candy Jelly Baby lip balm, and I got another eyeshadow product from Studio London, and then I got the trending Super Stay 24-hour Maybelline foundation, and I'm going to try it out in another TikTok, so that will be out soon. So I finally got my hands on the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour foundation, and I'm going to try it out for you guys. I got the shade 10. This is what the shade looks like when you first open it. I normally use a foundation brush, but I've seen loads of people use brushes, so I'm going to try it out. I think I just one. Have I got the right one? So I looked at the videos. People are using the TikTok blender, but all I've got is this, so I'm going to try it out again. And I've also put concealer on. So I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, keep that in mind. I've also put concealer on. But guys, let me know if I have actually got the right one. But if not, I will still link it down below, because I've seen loads of other people do it and it looks amazing. I don't know if my skin type is just not the type of skin that allows it. I've got psoriasis as well, so I've got very dry skin. But this is my review. I don't know if it's really a great eyeshadow foundation, but yeah. So I know I look a mess right now, and I've not vlogged all day, and my hair's really bad. This is the foundation so far. It doesn't even look that great. Let me show you in the better lighting. So I've had a full day with this foundation, and this is what it looks like. I think it doesn't look too bad. When I first did it, I've just posted the TikToks now because I just filmed the TikTok and then we went to the shop. Me and my sister actually had a really good day. What I was on about, me and my sister actually had a really good day. It was really nice and we bought loads of things. I got some things for our birthday. I'm going to show you guys what I got. But also, it's been sunny all day and I just know the sunset's going to be perfect. So I'm going to try and tidy up and get a sunset time lapse, because one thing I really miss about doing the North Coast 500, I know it was last year, not even last year, the year after last year, was the sunsets. Even though in my vlogs it was mainly me filming at the beach, doing sunsets, doing more, not sunrises. But I've just realised I love the snow. I love winter when it's snowing. But I freaking love sunsets, sun. Not like just a normal day, like sunny. Like obviously the sun makes you feel better. It makes you happy and stuff like that. And that's probably partly why it was such a good day, because it was so sunny. The sun was blinding me. But I love sunsets, and you get the best sunsets in spring and summer because obviously it's sunny. I really can't wait for this summer. I really can't wait, even though I will probably still be working. I just can't wait. I've got a week off in May, and I've obviously got Harry Styles off. I'm fucking bothered. I got some accessories for Harry Styles today. I really need to show you, but also I want to tidy my room. And then we're going to tidy the inside of my room. This type of thing reminds me when I was a child. There's many things that I don't remember, but one thing that I do remember is, and this is for every child under 10 or even under 15 probably, your mum used to tidy your room. And specifically I remember my mum used to tidy my room when I was at school and that, and then she would put all my fairy lights on like this. So pretty much I want to just go back to the aesthetic of my childhood, except I'm the adult now and I need to clean my room. You can't even see how nice that is, but I wish I kept my time lapse on. That is beautiful. It did turn out to be a really nice sunset. Tuesday. This is what life is like lately. I start a vlog and I'm not able to end it or finish off the type of vlog it was going to be because I've got work. Mind the bath running, I'm going to have a bath. But I thought I would end this vlog off with showing you what I've bought lately. Most of it is stuff for my sister's birthday and she already knows about it, so I'm going to show you it. This is the first thing I got her. She really wanted one of these. It is the Jellycats. So cute. These earrings. I don't know if you can really see them. And then I've got her some perfume as well. The things I got for myself. These trousers. You can't really see them. They look like that. Next thing I got was from Claire's. I got myself these earrings. Don't know why, but the lighting is not that great. And then the other thing I got from Claire's are these for Harry Styles, obviously. And I cannot wait. My excitement is just growing and growing. I really cannot wait. A YouTuber I watch, Molly May, not Molly May, or Holly. It's definitely Molly, but I can't remember her last name on YouTube. She just went to go see Harry Styles in Australia, and oh my god, I'm so excited. So I bought these Love Heart glasses, and then I have got this notebook as well, or I love books notebook thing, because I want to get, well, you know, I read my books at night, so it gets annoying when I need to flip the page over and then it creases the page. Next thing I got, or the last thing I got, was this bronzer. Don't know if you can really see it, but I got this bronzer because I wanted to like really getting into makeup again, and I've never really been a bronzer person, but we're gonna try it out. But that is everything I got when I went shopping with my sister. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it's not that long, but hope you enjoyed it anyway. And now I'm going to go for a bath and relax and have a nice day off editing this video, and I might do a workout. But hopefully this video is up tomorrow. If not, hope you've seen it sometime this week. It should be up tomorrow. You should be seeing it on Wednesday. So if you are, give it a thumbs up, because I am so tired right now, and it is only 5 minutes till 9. My body is still so tired from doing the morning shift last week. But I will see you with a brand new vlog or video soon.